The Community Health Indicators data dashboards offer insights into the demographics and health of King County residents. You can find them at kingcounty.gov/CHI. There are over 150 indicators included. You can select a topic area from this list to see all related indicators. If you hover over a topic, you'll see an example. If you want to search by topic area, make sure to unselect All first. You can also use the search bar to find indicators. Just type your search term and press Enter. Only the exact phrase you type will be searched, so you may choose to enter just part of the word. For example, if you type cig, you will see indicators like cigarette, cigarettes, cigar, or e-cigarettes. Below the search options, you will see a list of indicators. Each entry starts with the topic area, followed by the indicator's name, a short description, and the most recent data point. If you click anywhere in a row, a new tab will open with a dashboard showing more detailed data for that indicator. At the top of the dashboard page, you'll see a navigation menu. Below that, you'll find graphs displaying data on specific topics. When you hover over part of a map, more information pops up. Let's go back to the navigation menu. The Demographics tab shows data sorted by different categories, such as age, gender, race, and region. The exact categories available may vary depending on the data source, but we try to share as many categories as possible. If you're interested in a certain demographic, you can filter your results in the menu on the right. You can view this data over time on the Trends tab. You can analyze data by multiple demographic characteristics on the Detailed Demographics tab. First, select a demographic characteristic from the first drop-down menu. This will display data for different demographic groups. For example, if you select Region, you can see cigarette smoking rates by age, gender, and more within each region of King County. You can also simplify your view by selecting an option from the second drop-down box. Now, smoking rates by age are displayed for each region in King County. You can hover over a bar that will put that data point into a sentence. When you click on the Cities and Neighborhoods tab, you will see a map showing how the indicator varies across King County. Areas in red usually indicate worse outcomes, while areas in blue show better outcomes. Keep in mind that specific regions will vary depending on the data source. If you are interested in a particular area, just hover over it on the map to see more details pop up. You can also select it from the menu on the left, which will highlight that area on the map. At the bottom, you will see a chart ranking all of the areas from highest to lowest. Just hover over any bar to see which area it represents and its rate. The Notes and Sources tab has the source of this data as well as some technical information. On the More from this data source tab, you will find a brief description of the data source. There's also a drop-down menu where you can select other indicators from the same data source. Click on an indicator, then click on the arrow button to go to the Summary tab for that indicator. Questions? Contact our data request service at www.kingcounty.gov/data/request.